Oh my god. I am learning how to use my gimbal in real time. Real time. And I can tell you for sure it's not the easiest thing to do in the world. Anyways, no time for complaining. Hello, hi everyone. My name is Terry Blood Moon, and I've been living in Japan for about 3.5 years. I do videos about living in Japan and also festivals and everything in and around Japanese culture and travel. I could call myself a travel vlogger, but that is a story for another day because I've only been to 2 countries since I've been in Japan. But yeah, my house is a mess. To say it's a mess is an understatement. It looks like a pigsty. And if my grandmother was here and my dad's mom, my grandmother, my second grandmother was alive, she would beat me for this. And my skin is not even great either. Like, my skin hates summer and I hate it too. We balance each other out. It's an equilibrium. But it's a Maserati in the situation of my face. I have a dinner at 6 in the city, in Kumamoto City. I have to drive 2 hours. I want to leave at 3 so I can be on time. But the way my house is looking, baby, I don't know. I haven't been vlogging for a week because guys. I will do the backstory a little bit later, but I am going to be doing my laundry and I'm gonna hopefully start cleaning out stuff because I want to go to the recycling about tomorrow. It's Thursday. We've been off the whole week. I was supposed to be relaxing, but relaxing is relative to the situation if you live on an island, if you know what I mean. And anyways, yeah, I'm just going to continue cleaning and doing laundry and I will see you a little later. Okay, bye. Ignore the fan in the background. I'm still trying to figure out this fan, but I am making a turmeric orange shot. So yeah, I actually enjoyed it. I made it like 2 weeks ago and it's done, so I'm making another one for the next week. The only thing I don't like about this is the mess that this thing creates. It creates a big mess, which I genuinely do not like. But hey, what can you do? So I'm gonna take advantage of so we had a typhoon. I'm gonna sit down and explain it like 2-3 days ago. This is Thursday, so we've been cleaning up from I'd say Tuesday till yesterday. Today we're taking a break. I'm gonna take a break tomorrow so I can clean my house. I finished doing my laundry, but I think I'm going to take advantage of the throwing site. So there's a couple of throwing sites that have been set up for throwing things away that have been damaged. And I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to take advantage of that specific, because there's a couple of things that I want to throw away that I don't want to pay for. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to do that. I know I should have been saying this, but I'm gonna do it. Tomorrow, though, I'm gonna finish cleaning my house. My laundry is done, and then I will talk about the typhoon that hit us and caused a lot of floods. So we'll talk about that tomorrow. But now I'm going for my dinner. I have to drive 2 hours away. Yeah, guys, having to learn how to use a gimbal is just cuck. It's cuck, honestly. But anyways, I'm going to go to my dinner, which is 2 hours away. I had to wash my hair, which is also... I love my hair. Like, no doubt about it. But, kaluko sana. Kunzima, ningiwan, I'm just the one person. But yeah, let me go to the city and go act like a human being. Woo! My spit wants to make an appearance. Anyways, I'll see you later. Bye. The way that it's no parking in the city, every parking is full. I parked 20 minutes away because that's the only parking I could get. So happy about. The dinner was you know, the restaurant that we went to, I've been there so many times, it's just like whatever. But the minutes of enjoyment had planned, you know, a sup, meaning stand-up paddleboarding, which turned out to be great, if I had to say so myself. In the midst of our lives. It's a video. Great things here. Those are my girls that fell in the water with me. Oh, so shitty. I lost my hat. But this is what we're looking for. Adventure. It's a video. Bella! Linda's struggling. And always look cute. The boys. Hello. Hello.
Gambare.
Honestly, I would love that.
Wait, how old are you? You're like 26?
23.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I look older than I am. Wait, what's up? Oh my god.
We are done with lunch now. We're gonna go to the beach. I am. So, I haven't picked up a camera in quite a bit. I'm picking up 5 a week later. We're going to dinner with one of the new ALTs. I'm going to show you about it. We're going to a sushi restaurant. So, yeah, let's go. I'm exhausted. And as I said, this is the hair you're going to see the whole motherfucking summer. You know? Proud of my hair. Love my hair. What? Did great things today. Anyways, let's go for dinner. So we're back from dinner. See this? See this? Guys, I've had octopus before. I love octopus. But I love boiled octopus. Pre-boiled, boiled, cooked. Not raw octopus. I'm not Japanese like that. This man gave us purely raw octopus. It was so chewy, number 1. Number 2, I just know that I went to the bathroom, I asked for toilet paper. I went to the bathroom, came back with a hand towel and put... Good night. Good night, teeny guys. Oh my god. Oh my Jesus. My God. My Jesus. Good morning. I've just arrived at my, what you call it? My scuba diving place. You know, I've arrived. It's gonna be very interesting today, honestly. But yeah, I haven't scuba dived in about 6 months. So we're gonna do this because I need to get another specialty, and I can't do that without actually logging the number of dives that I've done. I don't even think that I have my logbook. I'll check it out, but yeah, come with me for this bountiful day. I'll see you guys later. I found it. I found my logbook. I found it. Oh my God, I thought I forgot it. There's another book that I have, but I don't understand what it is for. But we live and we learn, okay? Why do I look like Jennifer Lewis? Guys, I look like Jeannie the Lewis. But anyways, let's go. I need to do my hair tomorrow. Let's go diving. Just look at how gorgeous this is. Why wouldn't you want to be in the water? Like for reals. Like why wouldn't you want to be in this beauty? The weather is not the nicest today, but we shall do what we need to do. You know? I'm tired. Hi.
Why?
I sleep late.
I'll sleep.
Late.
Okay. Okay?
Watashi.
Yes. Setting these.
Oh. Oh, wait the night. Okay.
What?
Good morning. I've realized that my house is gonna look like a mess until I actually sit down for the next 2 weeks, because we have a 3-day holiday coming up, and every week there's something. So my house is gonna be like a bomb was raided in here for a very long time. I'm getting ready to go scuba diving. Usually I would wake up and shower. If I'm going somewhere in the morning, I shower twice a day. TMI maybe, but yeah. But since I'm going to be in water, I just decided to wash my face. I did shower last night before I went to bed, but I just decided to wash my face and put some sunscreen on and put some sunscreen on my body. Thank God for spray, what you call it, spray sunscreen. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm also going to pack, because we're gonna probably go to an onsen after this, and then I'm gonna go see my friend and have dinner with her in the city. So when that's done, I'm gonna have to drive to the city. So yeah, that's about today. I haven't picked up a camera in a long time. As I said, I do not like mixing my work, especially school, because school has so many rules, and Japan has so many rules about children and putting children on the internet. So I don't really vlog during the week unless I have places to be and places to go. Anyways, my flowers are dead. My flowers are dead, but I need to buy more flowers. Anyways, I'll see you at my scuba diving area. And on my skin, look at this pimple. What does she mean? Like, my skin has been acting up. But anyways, decided that I'm gonna go for breakfast, because I think I'm a little bit early. I'm hoping that I'm more earlier than I thought, so I can eat something. Because, well, I'm about to have one of the best. Yeah, guys, this gimbal is pissing me off. But anyways, I'll see you at breakfast. I didn't even fill in my lunch because go away ma, it is Thai-handish. So now I have to drive 2 hours to the city to meet a friend. Yo guys, only one. I'm just the one person. But let's go see my friend. I haven't seen her in a while. Let's go. I've made it to the to the mall. Yo, I'm tired, guys. I thought it was gonna be late, but I actually was earlier than I thought I was. So I'm gonna text my friend to tell her that I'm here, and I'm gonna sit in the car and just scroll through Instagram. Because girl does not have TikTok, but yeah, let me text my friend.
Not tried taking it in with you, but
Yeah.
I heard that you can, so kind of rely on that. Everything's the same all the time in South Africa.
Yeah.
It's boring. Like I need to get out of here. That's how I felt years ago already. That's why I can.
Hello, hi. Yeah, it's me. Hi. I'm not, but I am. Do I actually want to go here? Actually. Yeah, me and my friend had a very delicious dinner. It was beautiful. It was exceptional. Really loved seeing her. Me and her have been through quite a year. Her worse than mine, obviously. I'm never going to compare what she went through. But we move. Senzani, see a mover. See? As my motto in my life has been, we move. So we move. But we promised each other that we're going to see each other. And I hope that we keep that to each other. Good morning. It is about 11:12. I'm doing my hair. I already did the first line without... Ooh, the line is very crooked, but it's fine. It goes big, you know. It goes like this. It goes like this. See? But it's the back. As long as it's in and it's tight, I'm good with that. I'm good with that. I usually do my hair. If you're gonna come to Asian countries, especially Japan, like China, I've seen find people who do their hair. I think Taiwan as well. But if you're gonna come to Japan, specifically, like the rural areas, or they're gonna place you in the rural areas, just learn how to do your hair. As a black girl, just learn how to do your hair. You're not gonna know where they're gonna place you, so learn how to do your hair. I've learned how to do my hair for a while now. I've been doing my hair since varsity because it was getting crazy, the prices. But I also understand the labor and everything like that. But my thing is, just learn how to do your hair. It will save you quite a bit. It will save you quite a bit. So I did the first line. I usually don't care about the lines behind. When it starts coming here, I try to make them even. It never really works, but we move anyways. So yeah, I'm watching some boondogs on YouTube. And then you guys are gonna see me do my hair. Just, just saying. Anyways, come with me on this journey. By the way, this is not a tutorial on how to do your braids. It's just to show you that I do my own braids, because some people don't believe me. But I don't do a knotless braid. I will never do a knotless. What am I saying? I will not do a knot braid, because it's just makes sense at this for me. Like I can't do a knotless braid. But it's not a tutorial. If you want a tutorial, you must watch YouTube channels. I learned how to do my hair very young. My aunt used to do some people's hair, and then I would want to finish the ends. You know, when you would try to make extra money on the side during her high school years, and then I would they would leave the braid up to here, and then I would be finishing the braid, and then that's just how you learn. And that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. You know, and then you continue. You continue. So, yeah. It's really nothing big. It's just you just do it, guys. And then when I started to do my own hair, I was doing other people's hair. I'd do my best friend's hair, I did my mom's hair, I did my sister's hair. And then one day I was like, hey guys, it was 500 rand to do your hair. And I was like, I could take that money and do quite a bit with it, right? I was a student, obviously. So I was like, okay, let me see. And I did it, and I started saving money. And then at first I did jumbo braids because I was like, I need to see if I could do this. I'm not gonna start small. And then after jumbo braids, it started going. You know, I started becoming better and better at like hooking it, I guess hooking or the knots. And then it started becoming easier, you know. I stopped for a few years because I cut my hair, but it became easy. It became really easy. So, not a tutorial, you know, just do your hair. I am officially done with my hair after even 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 hours. 7 hours with a bit of a break here and there. But I'm done. That's all that matters. See? I'm done. Trust me. Learn how to do your hair. If you're living in Japan as a black girl, or before you come to Japan as a black girl, just learn how to do, unless you wear wigs, then fine. But if you don't wear wigs, or you don't know how to lace a wig, wording, then learn how to do your hair. I'm gonna clean my room because it's a hell of a mess. Do that, then eat. I'm hungry. And then I'm going to buy laundry, because laundry detergent, because I'm not omo, and I need to wash laundry for tomorrow. But yeah, see you guys later. This is the vlogging. Oh, I love my skin here. What? Why did that camera make me look like I'm cute? I'm a cute baby. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. I did say that I wanted to come here to talk to you about what happened 2 weeks ago. This video must end today. It's where it ends because wow, I've been doing this video for like 3 weeks. But at the beginning or in the middle or somewhere in that video, I had said I was gonna sit down and talk about something which just happened to happen. And that is just about like Japan being a very much natural disaster prone. I think most parts of Asia is like that. So I was just like, I'm gonna put clips on. If you ever decide to come to Asia, I just need you to understand that is what is going to happen. This is gonna be your life. It's just something that happens, you know, and people of Japan just move on. Like, I was crazed out how people just moved on. Like the next day people still went to work. That's how crazy it is for me, because the flooding that happened was just a lot, and there was a mudslide, and I remember my dad calling me, and my grandmother was like, are you guys okay? And my dad's calling me every day because the flood was just too much. So if you're ever coming to Asia, if you're ever coming to Japan, just understand that you will be moving to a natural disaster prone country, and you have to put that in mind. Like, I know it I don't want to sound insensitive, but it's become so normal to me. Like, I've never had an evacuation back in my life. I don't have it right now because we hadn't. It's kind of tiring because you always have to replace the food so it doesn't expire. So you would have to eat them out and then replace them, and then eat them out and replace them. But I do have an evacuation bag, and that consists of my camera, my laptop, my food, some clothes, some medication, and all of the jazz that I would need to go. It's at my door. Well, when I make it, it's at my door, because when I rush, I don't want to be forgetting where stuff is. So that's the cracks and the nooks of living in an island, you know, and that's the cracks and the nooks of living in a country where it's kind of disaster filled. You know, there's nothing you can do about it. People move on. Like, I've been here for 3.5 years, and the extent that people move on at is insane. Like, people generally just pick up and go. And for somebody who's from a country that's not naturally disaster prone, I know my people would have like wallowed in, you know, the sadness, which is like, nothing is wrong with that. But to see how people implement that here. Like, people were going to work while their houses were flooded. Do you understand what I mean? So that is just Japan for you. And I would guess that is just the same way in most of the Asian countries. So yeah, that is my 2 cents about this whole flooding thing. I was able to cancel my trip because there were warnings. When I was in Miyazaki, there were warnings that there's going to be like a tsunami, and then I came here and where I live, and then there was flooding. So yeah, just have that in mind. A beautiful country, beautiful people, but natural disasters are a thing, and to be caught in the crossfires, just a little tad bit scary. But we move on, and it reminds me of my own token, my own motto, my own slogan: we move. We generally move. Yeah, anyways, thank you for watching this vlog that spent over 3 weeks. It's not making sense, but I hope it comes together. Okay, I love you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and tell your friends to tell your friend that the potato, the mermaid, the 012 girl is back. Okay, I'm back. I've been consistent. I know. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.